So now that we've finished the pillar, we actually want to make multiple instances of it. And we can do this using copy and paste. And to do this, hold Shift and D. You can use the mouse to drag it anywhere you want in the scene, or you can specify it to a certain axis. So we want to duplicate it along the Y axis. So press Y and drop it in here. And do the same over and over again. So this works, but there is a more efficient and accurate way to do this. And it's done with an automation modifier called Array Modifier. And to add the Array Modifier, select the pillar and add modifier and generate array. We can remove these duplicates because we don't need them. So you can select them from here in the collections tab. Select the first one, hold Shift, and select the last one. So press delete. The array modifier has several properties, and they are pretty easy to understand and actually straightforward. So the count determines how many instances we want, and the offset in here determines on which axis and how far the objects will be far from each other's. Now, we actually want them to be aligned on the y-axis. So set the x value to 0 and play around with the value of y. You can go to the wireframe mode to see it clearly. I found that a value of 3.8 works perfectly for the scene. Go back to the solid mode, and we can actually do the same with the pipe model and the pipe supporters. So enable the pipe supporter and drag it to this corner. So a value of 9.75 on the y-axis and a value of 1.5 for the x-axis. Now enable the pipe model, press G, Y, and -8 on the y-axis, of course. So for the x-axis, a value of 1.5. Now we want it somewhere in here. So this actually is good. Okay. Now select the pipe supporter and go to add modifier and generate array. And of course, we want the array to be on the y-axis. Set 0 on the x and play around with the y-axis value. A value around 7 will be okay for the scene. And now, as you can see, the pipe model now feels connected to each supporter. And let's do the same with the pipe model. Go to add modifier, generate array. Let's play with the y value. A value of 1.167 is fine. It doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to sell the effect. Okay. Now let's add more count to fill the scene. A value of 6 for the pipe supporter and also for the pipes. So now we actually want to select the pipe supporter and go to edit mode. Let's try to make this edge connected to the building so it feels right. Just use the transform gizmo and set it around here, and this is perfect. This is it for this lecture. See you in the next one.